Managing Customer Portal Access in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to preview the portal exactly as a distributor sees it, turn on access, set their permission level, and send an invite. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Portal from your dashboard. This page controls what your distributors can see and do when they log into their portal. Click Preview Portal, and I'll open it exactly as a distributor would see it. The fastest way to check that pricing, order history, and available SKUs look right before you grant real access. To turn on access for a distributor, find them in the list and toggle portal access on. Then set what they're allowed to do. Place orders directly, view invoices and statements, or just check their order history, whichever level of self-service fits that relationship. If they need a login, click Send Invite, and I'll email them their portal credentials. To revoke access, toggle it back off. They'll be logged out and blocked from future logins immediately. Review this list whenever a distributor relationship starts or ends, so portal access always matches who you actually want ordering or viewing account data.